once we get enough room in the garage, I'm gonna get this, this, and this. And then all the remaining stuff is just tools. And then here's everything else I'm looking at getting. It's going to be very expensive, but it's going to be well worth it in the long run. And whatever sizes I don't have after I get everything, I will find other places to get all the other sizes I'm possibly looking at. There's all that. And then foam insert tool organizers. I don't need these socket organizers because I already have socket organizers, even though it's rail related. I'm gonna have to look through, see what else would work with what I have. Some of these I think will work with what I have, but or I may have to get a different one. I'll have to look into it. I'll just have to see. I'll have to look back through all my tools and see which will work and see what other stuff they have. Because I think some of this stuff won't work with what I have, so I may have to go with different brand. We'll just have to find out. And then, which this I'm gonna have to look into because I have a bunch of mismatch stuff for certain things. So probably gonna have some of the things I may have to get make my own. I don't know. We'll have to find out. I'll see if they have any instructions on getting your own foam and making your own, because of how crazy of a setup I have with all the mismatched tools and whatnot. Some of these will work, some won't, so I may have to make customs, or we'll just have to see. But I will for sure keep you guys posted on however it works out. This is what I need. There's a few of them that will work. This is the tricky thing, guys. But we'll have to see. I'm just gonna have to look through it real well. Go through all my tools and then see what will work and what will not work. I'm thinking because you can get your own foam and then cut it out, so I may just do that instead. We'll just have to see. That's probably what I'll just do, even though that's going to be a very tedious process. Yeah, I'll just make my own. See how much the foam is and see what the process is to making your own foam ones. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna get foam blanks. Yeah. I'll just probably get my own foam blanks and then custom make mine. But we'll just have to wait and see. I'll just have to re-look through all the tools. It's gonna be tricky. Speaking of which, let me... I'll just have to look through because some of them are non-name brand ones I have. I'll probably just get custom make mine, honestly. I'll just have to decide. Or see if they have sets that will work with some of the tools I have. That's probably my best bet. See which ones will work with some of the tools I have, and if they don't have everything that I need, then I will just custom make my own. We'll just have to see. I'm probably, if they're open, I'm gonna try to call them, see how much the foam is, and decide on which foam I want to go with, because it depends on what tool you use to cut it. I think because it's a bunch of mismatch, I may just get the foam and cut it myself. But we'll just have to see, like I've already said, because I have way too many different brands, so it makes it tricky. I want to just see what the biggest foam I can get. Well, if anything, I'll measure the drawers and see what foam size I can fit in there. Even though that means I would be getting rid of socket rails and whatnot, and just foam insert everything. We'll just have to wait and see, guys. But I've found a company now, which is nice. But they have quite a bit of selection, which makes it tricky, because I have so many mismatched brands, like I've already said. But, I will contact this company and see what the drawer size is for my tools, Then once I find out what drawer size, I'm thinking about just getting doing the whole, well, doing the 4 big drawers foam, and then just leaving the top 3. Well, no, I'll just show you guys what I'm thinking about doing. Well, damn it, I can't unlock it because I don't have the key with me right now. It's in my room. But I will show you what I'm thinking about doing for foam insert. Wait. Yeah, this makes it tricky, guys, because they have so much that you can choose from. I'm honestly debating on if I even want to do this, because it makes it hard to decide on how I'm going to set it up. Because with all the mismatched brands, like I've already said. This makes it tricky. Because it comes with all my drawers come with liners. Every piece of the top chest comes with liners. And I'm debating on how I'm going to do this for foam inserts. Or if I'm even going to go that route. Because it's pretty pricey. Golly, they have so much to choose from. Alright. But then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes a search where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.